Looking for the best squirrel-proof bird feeder? You've come to the right place. In this article, we will be discussing the 10 best squirrel-proof bird feeders on the market. Squirrels can be pesky little creatures, and they are known for being able to get into just about anything. If you're someone who loves to watch birds, the last thing you want is for squirrels to be stealing their food. There are a few things to look for when choosing a squirrel-proof bird feeder. First, you want to make sure that the feeder is made of durable materials that squirrels cannot chew through. Second, you want to look for a feeder that has a weight-activated perch. This means that when a squirrel sits on the perch, the feeder will automatically close, preventing them from getting to the food. Now that you know what to look for, let's take a look at the 10 best squirrel-proof bird feeders on the market. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the Squirrel Buster Standard Squirrel-Proof Bird. If you're tired of pesky squirrels raiding your bird feeder, this one's for you. The Brome Squirrel-Proof Bird Feeder is designed to keep these little critters out while still providing your feathered friends with a place to eat. When a squirrel puts its weight on this feeder, the seed openings will automatically shut to lock them out of the food. The sturdy, chew-proof design includes a ventilation system to keep seeds from getting stale or moldy. We like the model that holds around 1.3 pounds of seed, but other sizes are available. The maker, Brome, has made a commitment to the planet with all of its products. The company vows to keep them in circulation as long as possible, therefore, all feeders come with a lifetime guarantee. If you find something broken or missing, just let Brome know, and it will send a replacement part for free, because as the company states on its website, disposable products are no longer an option for our Mother Earth. We think this is a great option if you're looking for a squirrel-proof bird feeder that's also eco-friendly. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Perky Pet 333 1SR Squirrel Be Gone Max Bird. Looking to keep squirrels away from your bird feeder? This model from Squirrel Be Gone is a great affordable option. It features a FlexPort system at the feed openings, which keeps seeds in better, yet still allows birds to get at them easily. The weight of a squirrel will close off feeding ports. This feeder can hold up to 3 pounds of seed and has 4 food openings and 2 large perching spots, so there's plenty of room for multiple species. You can use it for sunflower seeds, safflower, or a seed mix. At number 3 on our list, we have the Droll Yankees Domed Cage Sunflower Seed. If you're looking for a squirrel-proof bird feeder that actually works, the Droll Yankees Cage Tube Feeder is a great option. The feeder is surrounded by a wire cage that allows small birds to get in while keeping squirrels out. This also means that larger birds won't be able to access the feeder, which can be a good thing if you're trying to attract smaller birds. The feeder comes with a lifetime warranty, so you can be confident that it will last for a long time. At number 4 on our list, we have the Bird's Choice 431 Bird Feeder. If you're looking for an all-in-one squirrel-resistant system for your backyard, this is a great option. The feeder, squirrel baffle, and pole kit are all made from recycled poly lumber, so you know it's durable. The company guarantees that the products won't fade, crack, or split. The feeder can hold up to 5 pounds of seeds, and the pole can be placed anywhere you want, just be sure to stay away from trees. The baffle goes on the bottom of the pole to keep squirrels from climbing up. At number 5 on our list, we have the HF Green Absolute 2 two-sided feeder with windows. This classic-style bird feeder has gotten a mechanics upgrade because a squirrel's weight on the perch will trigger the seed opening to close. It's one of the largest capacity squirrel-resistant feeders you can buy, holding around 12 pounds of seed. Birds will have plenty of room to feed with openings on both sides. Plus, the roof has a nice overhang, keeping seeds dry even in the rain. You can hang it or mount it on a pole, whichever approach works best for you. Overall, it's one of the best options when you want to feed a lot of birds. At number 6 on our list, we have the Squirrel Guard Baffle. We can't talk about squirrel-proof bird feeders without talking about baffles. The way they work is that you mount them either above or below your feeder, sometimes both. When a critter lands on it, they wobble, and their slick design keeps the animal from hanging on and stealing food. Baffles are a great addition to use with any feeder, even one that claims to be squirrel-resistant, to ensure even better results. They are well worth the investment, especially for those struggling with a serious squirrel problem. By the way, they're good for raccoon problems too. At number 7 on our list, we have the Squirrel Stopper Sequoia. This feeding station doesn't come with the feeders, but it's still worth being on the list. In fact, it's a great way to keep using the feeders you have without going out and replacing them all, which we think is pretty eco-friendly. This unit has a built-in baffle and will stand about 90 inches high once you get it installed. It might seem a little excessive, but it's not. Squirrels are tricky ones, often jumping up, down, and sideways to reach your seed. So, a tall unit like this is a good solution. Each hanger arm can hold 15 pounds, so you could mix in a hummingbird feeder, hanging basket, or anything else you'd like. At number 8 on our list, we have the Squirrel X squirrel-resistant double suet feeder. Suet is quite popular with backyard birds like nuthatches, downy woodpeckers, and chickadees. But squirrels are notorious for wiping out suet cakes, sometimes in a single visit or two. If you're finding it hard to keep stocked, then it's time to upgrade. This cage design will keep squirrels out, but will still give smaller birds regular access. It holds 2 suet cakes in total. At number 9 on our list, we have the Arendale 360 Sky Cafe Wild Bird Feeder. This clear feeder is made from 100% recycled plexiglass, allowing you to easily see the birds from a distance. The dome top was strategically designed to keep out rain, snow, and squirrels. The slick design definitely won't make it easy for any adventurous squirrel to hold on for long. Mount this feeder on a pole or hang it up. Either way, it holds about 7 pounds of seed at a time. And finally at number 10 on our list, we have the Tree Rat Symposium Mini Arcade Squirrel Feeder. When it comes to squirrels, many birders have adopted the mantra that if you can't beat 'em, then you might as well join 'em. Actually, some people really like squirrels and they just want to feed them. Then others have found that when they give their squirrels their own spot, they tend to leave the main bird feeders alone. If either of these strategies appeal to you, then consider this crafty, adorable feeder designed to mimic an arcade game. It easily holds seed or peanuts for squirrels, giving you a designated place to let them eat. It's too fun and unique not to share, even if you don't plan on attracting squirrels in your own yard. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.